It's hard to get those trains. Come on, one more. Yes. Woohoo!
All aboard!
Yeah, I wish. Oh! Oh, I thought the major was worth more. I got so excited.
No, but if it's going to be getting the repeat, it's going to be good.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm still thrilled to see coins with words. It's the first time for me. So here we go.
All aboard!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. See, I've never done this well. I didn't know.
Yep.
Okay. Just one at a time. Come on, one more. Train. Uh-oh. One more train. Okay.
All aboard!
Woo! One more train, please. Yes! Oh!
All aboard!
So, unfortunately. Okay, let's see if we can get another train. Oh, we did.
All aboard!
I just edged into a Handpay by $1 on Cash Express. At least this isn't by $1. One more train, please. One more, so we're not edging into it. No. Oh dear. Oh my gosh! I didn't think I'd get another one. Yay! We didn't edge into it. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Are you taking credit?
I'm taking credit for that.
And look, we got another mini.
I rubbed it in my head.
Yeah.
Things happen when I rub it.
Oh, okay. One more train, please. One more. One more train. You can do it. Ah. That was nice. I like that one. Yeah, thank you. Oh, so you think of switching the denomination and lowering the benefits in it? Okay, all right, we'll take
Well,
it.
you probably wouldn't have had that.
All right, thank you so much. This is the first time I've done good on All Aboard by Konami. And here at Resorts World, thank you. I gotta enjoy this, everybody. Woohoo! Okay, enough. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna take my Handpay and run.